It's week number 5 of the 12 fiber gifts of Christmas here at the Woolery. And we're just going towards Christmas faster and faster, and I'm sure that you're all overwhelmed with Christmas songs and making plans for parties and buying gifts. We want you to take advantage of our good deals here and slow down and have a little craft time by yourself or with your family. Take a breather, have some you time, have some fun. This week's fiber gift, I think, will please a lot of you, and hopefully will allow you to have a little bit of craft time to yourself, even to make something for a loved one. You're relaxing and being productive. Double bonus. Let's see what it is. Ooh. This week's sale item for the fiber gifts is Merino silk yak top. It's very fancy, very fancy. It comes in this giant 8-ounce bag, and it is a beautiful kind of silver gray, mostly silver and gray with a little bit of off-white, if you want to call it cream or eggshell in there. It is really, really smooth. It's warm, it's fluffy, it feels great. This would spin up beautifully into anything that you could wear against your skin even. This is really nice for like a scarf, or if you're really ambitious, a sweater. It feels great. You get a ton of it. It's on a really good sale too. It goes on sale tomorrow, and it is marked down to $31.99, which is a pretty good deal for an amount of luxury fiber this size. We hope you like it. Click the link below and it'll take you right to the site to purchase it. And don't forget to enter to win one of your own on our Facebook page. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next week.